See the details and secrets of the 5 best racing cars for children and adults. A very powerful engine. Get it now from Amazon. Legendary RC Crawler. 4x4 off-road crawler remote control truck for adults. RC car. RC rock crawler. Fast speed, electric, hobby grade car. 110 scale, brushed, red, orange. Hi. Welcome my friends. Brushed motor, using a configuration of wound wire coils, the engine of this RC crawler acts as a 2-pole electromagnet for the high-powered 2-speed transmission. High/low. Long battery life. These RC trucks for adults come with a 7.2-volt 6S 1800 mAh NiMH rechargeable battery for long-lasting use and legendary fun. Off-road fun, steer with ease. Whether you're cruising on sand, concrete, rocks, or anything in between, this remote control car for adults is built to withstand it. Maneuverability. Our RC cars for adults come with a remote control that is easy to use, easier to hold, and comes with 2 speed modes for optimum handling at up to 328 feet. Set includes this. This remote control monster truck set comes with 1. Rechargeable battery, 1. Battery charger, 1. Battery connector, and 1. Remote control. You can get the product through the link below the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to get the latest offers. Thank you.